What up, YouTube? This your boy Fabo back at you with another how-to video, do it yourself. We got a 2008 Kia Sedona. We doing the rear wheel hub assembly. So we're gonna start off with a little couple of safety rules or whatever. I got the front wheel with the chalk on it. You know what I'm saying, with the chalk. Keep the tire from moving. Got it jacked up. Got jacks down on the other side. I already changed one on the other side, but I'm gonna show you this one before I get started. So you know you gotta jack it up. You know you gotta take your lug nuts off. I'm using a 7/8 socket in impact. So that's how I got mine off. Tools you're gonna need for this job is you're gonna need a hammer, a rubber mallet, 14-inch wrench or socket, Phillips screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and you're gonna need a 35 axle nut. All right, so let's get started. You got 214. All right, some people that don't really know would take this whole caliper apart. I'm not gonna take the whole caliper apart. I'm just gonna take the caliper bracket off. I already got it started. That's a 14. There's one out. The other one is right here. Got that one out. Well, not yet, but it's coming. Like I said, I already started, man, so it can kind of make this video short. So, caliper off. Caliper still attached to the bracket. You know what I mean? We gotta take all the extra stuff out. Set it to the side. You don't need it no more right now. All right. You look at this rotor, you got two keeper screws there, Phillips. You can use a flat, but the flat ain't really gonna do it. You need a number 3 screwdriver, I guess, Phillips. So take the keeper screws out. They ain't really necessary, but they're in there, leave them in there. Take them out, put them back. So we'll take these two out. All right. So boom, we got the caliper bolts, we got the rotor keeper. This right here, I already got it started. You're gonna take your screwdriver and you're gonna hit between the seam and push it out like that. So boom, we got that out the way. That's this rotor is kind of. Oh, I forgot I got the emergency brake on. It was moving on me, and I was trying to turn the keeper screws, so I set the brake kind of. Come on off of there. All right, rotor is off. So, most wheel hub assemblies is gonna have 4 bolts or 3 bolts in the back that hold it in. This one is different. Once you take this axle nut off, the hub assembly just comes right off. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. We're gonna go through it real quick. I got one hand, y'all, so bear with me. One hand bandit, man. Only person I know can do work with one hand and do a phone, man, is my boy Sprayway. I almost said my name. Damn, we got that off. Remember I said it's 35. You got a washer here. You see the addition in that washer? The little spline there. It's gonna go back in that groove right there. So remember. It's all right. Now, what we'll do, all right, we're gonna put this back on just a little bit, because we don't want to crown this right here when we hit it. We want to get a little love tap. Hopefully it Hit it on it a little bit. Let's see. It should just really come on out of there. Ain't no screws holding it. So I'm gonna take this out real quick. I'll be right back. So I got all the bolts that's holding this on. So I just gotta, it's just tight. I gotta bang it off of there. I'll be right back. What up, YouTube? I'm back. I've been working on this shit for like, since yesterday when I started. It's a whole different day. So the problem I ran into, you might even run into it yourself. When I was taking the hub off, the hub assembly, the inside, bearings and stuff, right? All this stuff go down inside, you know what I'm saying, like that. So, long story short, everything came off except this. This was seized on here like so. So what I had to do, a lot of people use heat, different ways to do it. My torches, they was empty, man, I ain't got time to go in the field. So I made a relief cut in it, right there. And that relief cut leaves enough pressure and tension off of it where it slid off. You can see all the rest of the stuff inside of it. So, got it off, that battle was over. Right now, moving. Move it up. Moving on. Got it on. Got this washer. See this split in the middle? Put it on just like you see. Alright y'all, so got the wheel hub bearing on. Slap this rotor on real quick. Remember those keeper screws I told you about, I showed you. So you gotta line your holes up. It'll be here, there. I like that right there. Right over here. I got 5 screws. Everything in reverse. I took it off. You'll be cool. Now we're gonna get this counter back on. much done with the hub assembly. Only thing I got left now is put the caliper and brake pad back on, get this cover right here. Hub assembly done. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here while I figure out the brake pad because it's broke. So if you need help with the caliper, just watch the video in reverse. Sign off, man. Peace. Get in the comment box, like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. If it helps you, if it didn't, whatever. But y'all be cool, man. Keep doing it yourself. Keep wrenching, man.